Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my biggest Arduino projects so far. Now let's look at the display. On the top, it shows today's target. Then it displays hourly production values from first hour to 10th hour. At the bottom, it shows the total production and the balance, which is the remaining target. This is very useful for production lines because everyone can clearly see the progress in real time. For this project, I used Arduino Mega 2560 MAX7219 8x8 LED Matrix modules, 42 PCS 4x4, Keypad, jumper wires and connectors, 5-volt power supply, and an output LED indicator. Display arrangement. I divided the LED matrix modules into 4 main sections. First, Today Target Display uses 4 panels. Then, the hourly section has 10 hours and each hour uses 3 panels, so total 30 panels. After that, the total display uses 4 panels. And finally, the balance or difference display uses another 4 panels. So overall, this board uses exactly 42 MAX7219. The Arduino stores all hourly values and automatically calculates the total. After each hour input, the total display updates immediately. Then it calculates the balance using balance equals today target minus total production. That balance is shown on the difference display. If the balance becomes 0 or negative, that means the target is completed, and the output LED turns on. This is a simple but powerful feature for factory environments. Now, let's test it quickly. Target is entered first. Then hour-by-hour values are entered. You can see the total updating automatically and the balance decreasing. Once production reaches the target, the indicator LED turns on. So this is my Arduino Mega Plus M AX7219 Production Target Display Board project. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment if you need the circuit diagram and full code. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.